So after several months of my desk not moving up and down and replacing all the electronics once, which had no effect, I finally managed to get my IKEA Bekant sit-stand desk to work again. The problem turned out to be with this connector here. The black cable, the pin is connected to a pin, and that had come loose. So whenever you put the plug in, it wasn't actually connecting to anything. So yeah, wasn't working. Simple fix to slide it back in and hold it in place while I insert the connector, and job's a good one. So that's it really. Time to put it back together and use it again.